Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some easy and delicious enchiladas suizas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by roasting 2 poblano peppers and 2 Anaheim peppers. Once our chilies are fully roasted, we're going to remove them from the heat. And we're just going to keep them covered and allow them to sweat. And here we're going to continue roasting our Chile Serranos or jalapeños. I'm using 5 along with half an onion. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to boil 2 pounds of tomatillos. So add them to a pot. Cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring them to a boil. As soon as our tomatillos come to a full boil, we're going to turn them off and transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to peel our chile poblanos and Anaheim peppers. So remove the skin along with the stem and the seeds. Okay, now transfer it to the blender cup. Okay, to our blender cup, we're also going to add our chile serranos that we roasted, our half an onion, 4 garlic cloves, handful of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, chicken bouillon, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to be blending with 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Okay, now just blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have our salsa verde, we're going to be reserving half a cup. We're going to be adding that to our chicken. Okay, now to that we're going to add 1 cup of crema mexicana and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now continue blending until smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our enchilada sauce. So now we're going to set it to the side so we can finish putting the chicken in the tortillas. Okay, so for my chicken, I'm using rotisserie chicken. I already have it all nice and shredded. So I'm just going to be seasoning with some roasted garlic and herb seasoning, a little salt, and our salsa verde. So we're just going to mix it, make sure it gets nice and seasoned. Okay, so once we have our chicken, we can set it to the side until it's time to use it. Okay, so for our tortillas, we're going to lightly fry them with a little bit of oil. So just set up your comal to medium heat. Place your tortillas and allow them to blister. Okay, once the tortillas begin to blister, flip them over to the other side. And allow that side to heat up for another about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, remove the tortillas from the heat. And repeat the process with the rest of the tortillas. Okay, so I'm going to be preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Once we have that, I'm going to lightly grease my baking dish. Okay, I'm going to be adding half of my enchilada sauce to my baking dish. And make sure you taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it, okay? Okay, so now we're going to grab a tortilla, add our chicken. I'm also adding a little cheese and rolling. Place in the baking dish and repeat the process. Okay, so once we have rolled our enchiladas, we're going to cover them with the rest of our sauce. Okay, cover the top with cheese. And I'm using queso Oaxaca. Okay, now we're going to stick them in our oven and allow the cheese to melt. Okay, once we have our enchiladas, I like to top them with a little lettuce, some tomatoes, crema mexicana, and queso cotija. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love enchiladas. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. You save some time using the rotisserie chicken, but I am so ready. Hope you enjoy it and just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The sauce is creamy, a little spicy, but you can always adjust that. And the chicken, it's so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious enchiladas suizas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.